Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can delete blockchain.com exchange account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your blockchain app on your phone, scan your face ID and enter your code and log in. Now right afterwards, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? You can tap on this profile icon given on top left corner, and then from over here you're gonna scroll down till you find this option of simply delete account right at the bottom. Tap on it. Now you're simply gonna go ahead and choose tap on this delete account once again and type in delete right over here as it has instructed. Once you're done typing it in, tap on delete account and your account will be successfully be deleted right over here. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.